sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is... Please note, the new number is...
Hey y'all. I'm just sitting here in my office, stuff everywhere, but the baby ain't gonna let me. I ain't gonna have time to do that. I'm just have to do it when, she with her dad or something. I was going through her clothes, and I know winter about to come up in a few months. So I said, you know what? She got a couple things that it's cute, but it's kind of plain. I feel like I can put something on them, and I haven't been in my arts and crafts lately. I think I'm gonna get back into that. But this is one of the outfits. It's cute, and then it got like little bell bottom pants to it. And winter coming up, so she definitely gonna be wearing these. I think it's just so cute. And the shirt is just like a onesie shirt. It's just plain. So I think I'm gonna put her name right here. Her first name is Princess, and her middle name is Samara, and maybe some sunflowers or whatever these is around it. So that's what that outfit. And then is this one. I don't know if this is an outfit or like a little pajama set. I feel like, I don't know if she's gonna wear a jean jacket with it, so I don't know if I should put something on the back or not, because she might wear a jean jacket with it. And maybe I'll just put her name on the front. I just want to put her name on everything. I don't know why, and maybe I can just put her name, maybe like Princess, and then so like Princess right here, and then like Samara down here. I did want to put her brother's name on the back. I thought that'd be cute, but I don't know if she's gonna have a jacket on with this or not. And plus it got like little ridges, like little lines in it, and I don't know if the vinyl is it gonna look straight, or just the lines are gonna come through. And then she got this one. It's a Minnie Mouse onesie, but it's a sweatsuit. This is a onesie, and this is the pants. It got a little mini head at the bottom, and I'm thinking I can just put like something on her pants leg. And this is the hoodie. Just got a little Minnie Mouse on the front and nothing on the back. I'm thinking I can just do something with this. I don't know, because I don't even know if I got like vinyl or whatever. I forgot what it's called. I used it so long. I don't know if I got this color. Like this is, I don't even know what color this is. Like it's pink, and then it's purple, and I don't know. So I'm pretty sure I don't got that color. So I think I'm gonna just put her name on the back or something, Princess Samara, or put a Minnie Mouse head on the back or something like that. I don't know, but I got these. I did have this little skirt that I wanted to do something to, but she gonna outgrow the skirt. She probably can't even fit it no more. I'm thinking if I could just like cut the jean part up and put it on something, but I don't know. And then I got these bows. These little ribbons are bows. And she got this tutu. She got two of them. Then she got this one. I don't know if I can cut them up and do something with them. And then also, oops, where did they go? I used to have so much arts and crafts stuff. I don't have nothing. She got these. It's like 4 of them. So I don't know. So this is what I have so far. I'm on Circuit Design Space. So this is what I have so far. Now remind you, it's going down on each side. So this is what I'm about to print out. So this is the front before. This is the back before. Got my machine hooked up. I got some old vinyl, the puff vinyl that I had for a long time, so I want to try this. But I'm thinking I'll do her this pink. I want to use all of these colors, so let's just see the offset color. Then I also have these whole bunch of different colors. I think the front I'm gonna do maybe like a hot pink. I do got this glitter. This glitter might be pretty. Okay, so I made the letters too small. I forgot to space the letters out and change the size. See how it is? The letters are supposed to go from here to here. Now it's just gonna be like a skinny line. I don't know if I should just do it over or just keep it like this. I feel like this is too small. So I got the shirt on the heat press. I put the letters on there. And then I have to put this. I had to wait till it gets to right here, till it gets to 303, and then that's when it's gonna be hot enough to press it. Let's take it off. I hope this stick, cause they got lines in it. This a hot press or a cold press. Hold on, I can't do it with one hand. Okay, this is the first part. This is what I got so far. And I'm gonna put the dark pink on top of that. Now, dark pink is puff, so it's supposed to puff up. But I don't know if you're gonna see it because it's real skinny, so it might not look puffy, but that's what I got so far. So I just have to line this up with this. And this can be a little tricky. See, I think I'm gonna have to cut them separately because it's not lining up. Yep. It's not lining up. Everything else is lined up. It could go like this. I don't like how the P look. So this is what I got so far. I'm about to press it down. It's not straight, but this what we got. This what she gonna get. So I pressed it. It's puff, but you can't really see it because it's so skinny. It's so cute. I did good. These are hair clips. I'm thinking if I should just take this part off and just stick them on there, or that's doing too much. And some of this. Hopefully this is what I need. Just put some on here.
Stopped.
I hope this good.
Look at you. You're all sitting up.
Okay, I'm done for right now. This is what I got so far. I was gonna put something on the back of it, but since it's probably gonna be winter time, she probably gonna have like a little jacket on with it, and you probably ain't gonna be able to see it. But this is the final product. I'm learning. I'll get there. Bye. So we about to do this one. This is the front. There's nothing on the back of here. Nothing. I don't think I want to put nothing on the back of a baby pants. That's a little bit too much, but this is what we got so far. So I got this Minnie Mouse for the hoodie. It costs, I think it's like $2 or $3 to buy. Now, I don't have this color paper, so we're gonna do a pink Minnie Mouse. We're gonna see how it look. I hope it's not too crazy looking. So Minnie Mouse face is gonna be pink, like a light pale pink, because I don't have that color, nor do I have brown, nor do I have, damn it, I don't even think I got white. But whatever color she gonna be, she just gonna be. So we're gonna buy this, and then we're gonna put it on the back of this hoodie. So let's just go purchase this. I hope this go on next. I don't even know if it's in the right spot. Don't ask me what color Minnie is, because I don't know. I don't know. She gonna be whatever color she is. Look what your girl done did. Look what your girl done did. I got some lines in there, but I'm learning. We got a pink Mickey Mouse. Y'all ain't never seen a pink Mickey Mouse. Minnie Mouse before. Yup, look at Minnie. Pink Minnie. Yup. I don't know. I just feel like this is wrong. Like, I don't know, but this is what we got. Originally, I thought the Minnie Mouse was going to go this way, so I was going to turn it sideways, but it didn't fit, so I had to do it this way. So this is the first part of the pink. I just got to put the black over top of it. Hopefully it comes out good. If not, oh well. Here's this part. I feel like you understand that say mouse, but I feel like, I don't know if they look like it's Minnie. But this is what we got. This is the finished product. My Velcro baby is calling me. Probably later I'll put something else on it, but not right now. This is the finished product. Look at this pink Minnie. I don't think I like it, but I'm practicing. So this is the back of the hoodie, and these is the pants. I like the writing, but I feel like I don't know. If I didn't do this, I wouldn't know what to say. It just is, the writing is cute, but this is it. That's all I'm getting. Velcro baby is crying. Velcro baby is crying. This is so cute. This is the puff. The black part is the puff. Now that I'm looking at it, I wish I would have had the same writing. Like, I wish the writing was the same. I don't know, but I'm learning. It's a process. This the back of the hoodie anyway, and these are front of the pants, so you're really not gonna see it. So this is like the front. I want to put some more stuff on there, but this baby is crying. So this is what I got so far. I really like this. I like it, but then I don't, but I like it.